Hi and welcome to Property Reviews by IndiaProperty.com. Today, we're going to explore Whitefield Mudra Phase 2, which offers homes that are built incorporating the most contemporary approach of space designing. The project is located in Medavakkam, the fastest growing suburb of Chennai. It comprises of 2 and 3 BHK size between 1031 to 1333 square feet. The project is in close proximity to the River of Destiny Community Church and Lakshmi Balaji Temple. The project is 11.8 kilometers drive to Chennai International Airport and 23 kilometers drive to Chennai Central Railway Station. The project is closely located at educational institutions like Vidya Matriculation School, Peniel Public School and Asan Memorial College of Arts and Science. Talking about the healthcare facilities, Karanya Hospital, Kalpana Hospital, Arun Hospital and Vignesh Hospital is in close proximity to this project. I'm right now walking inside the luxurious 3 BHK of Shieldy Shelters Whitefield Mudra, which is sized at 1300 square feet. The size of the living and dining area is 22.8 by 11.6 feet. Now let's get inside the kitchen and see how big it is. But I'll have to tell you, as you step outside, there's a big balcony right outside the dining area, which is very spacious and gives a nice view of the nature. Now let's move to the kitchen. I'm right now standing in the kitchen of this luxurious 3 BHK, and the size of the kitchen is 12 by 8. The kitchen comes with granite countertop and a stainless steel sink attached to it. For the storage, you can look at it down there, and below the countertop and right down the corner there's ample amount of storage space which is provided for this kitchen. Now let's get inside the first bedroom and see how big it is. This is the first bedroom of this luxurious 3 BHK, which is sized at 13.6 by 10. This bedroom can comfortably accommodate a king size cot, and this bedroom comes with toilet and bath attached. We're talking about the storage, ample amount of storage being provided for this bedroom. And as you step outside, there's a big balcony which is right outside this bedroom. Walking inside the second bedroom of this 3 BHK, which is sized at 13 by 10.6. This room comes with toilet and bath attached, and this bedroom can comfortably accommodate a queen size cot. Talking about the storage, ample amount of storage space being provided, and there's a big French window which gives nice view of the nature, and a lot of light comes in and ventilation being provided for this bedroom is concerned. Now let's get into the third bedroom and see how big it is. This is the third bedroom, which is sized at 11 by 10. This room can either be used as a guest bedroom or a kid's room. This room does not have a toilet and bath attached, but as you step outside, there's a common toilet and bath attached which is provided for the bedroom. The internal walls are finished with 2 coats of putty, 1 coat of primer and 2 coats of acrylic emulsion paints. Talking about the flooring, the living area, the dining area, the bedrooms and the kitchen are fitted with vitrified tiles. For the bathrooms, it's anti-skid tiles on the floor and glazed diorite tiles on the wall up to the ceiling. And for the kitchen, it's glazed diorite tiles on the wall up to 2 feet. Furnishing is generally not done by the builder, but it is taken based on request, which carries an additional cost. Looking at the house, what you have seen, I'm sure with the options given to the builder, you will have a fantastic house to live in. The gated community offers various amenities like fitness center, multi-purpose hall, children's play area, garden, private terrace for all apartments, games room, outdoor games, yoga room, open courtyard, health facilities, 24 hours water supply, 3-phase connection and covered car park which is payable. The project is priced at 3,999 per square feet. The other projects around this area are Pace Agam, Sunshine Suites and Arca Tulip. Hope this review has given a clear insight into Whitefield Mudra Phase 2. For further details, log on to www.indiaproperty.com. Whether looking for residence, farmhouse, commercial space, investment property, land or a retirement community, India Property has it all.